Alright, so it didn't work. A little follow-up there. What we're going to do now is do it the old way. Basically, I'm going to force this to go through that without harming it as much as possible, so that it'll hold itself onto the nut there. This way takes a lot of work, but it'll be worth it. So, I'll show you when it's done. Alright, so using a pair of pliers, these ones, I basically bent that side and that side so they're partially in there. Okay, so now I'm just going to bend this side and this side till it pops in. I haven't had to use a hammer yet. Alright, so again with no hammer, I have used the pliers to basically force 3 sides in. I lifted one of these pieces here. I don't know why it's not focusing. I lifted one of these pieces here up just enough to move it in. So I'll get back to it. Alright, so I'm going to try to record this part the best I can because this is usually the hardest part. I take a screwdriver. Normally I'll hit it a couple times with a hammer, but I'm just going to wiggle it around in there. I've only got a little bit left to put in. Might have to turn it just a hair there, as we're running out of space to pop it into. You want to try and keep this whole thing intact when you do it this way. Alright, I can't do it one-handed, so... Alright. So, at this point I've flipped it over, and I'm taking the screwdriver underneath, basically just moving it into place. See that? So it's going to work similar to the other one now. The part that doesn't want to come through is in this corner. So we're almost there. Alright, so the ending solution, it was actually easier than you would have thought. I grabbed this guy here with the pliers, and I just twisted him, and then it just fell in.